Join me as I dive deep into the world of Unstock to see if it's really ready for a big move. Unstock has been making some waves lately, with its price fluctuating wildly over the past few weeks. This volatility has left many investors wondering if the stock is poised for a major breakout or if it's just a temporary blip on the radar. To understand what's going on, let's take a closer look at the current state of Unstock. One of the biggest challenges facing Unstock right now is market volatility. We're seeing huge swings in the market, and Unstock is no exception. The company is also facing stiff competition from industry rivals, which is putting pressure on its stock price. Furthermore, there are concerns about the overall health of the economy, which could impact Unstock's performance. The industry Unstock operates in is also going through a lot of changes, and that's creating uncertainty for investors. We're seeing new technologies emerge and old business models get disrupted. This is making it tough for companies like UN to stay ahead of the curve. Earnings reports are a key factor that can influence Unstock's price. If the company reports strong earnings, it could give the stock a boost. On the other hand, weak earnings could send the stock tumbling. Market trends are also playing a role, with some analysts predicting a shift towards more sustainable investments. Economic indicators like GDP growth and inflation rates are also worth keeping an eye on. Market trends are always changing, and Unstock is not immune to these shifts. Some analysts are predicting a big move for Unstock based on current trends. The company's earnings reports have been strong, but there are concerns about its ability to sustain this momentum. The critical insight here is that Unstock's potential for a big move is closely tied to its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. If the company can stay ahead of the curve and deliver strong earnings, it could be poised for a major breakout. However, if it struggles to keep up, the stock could take a hit. Based on my analysis, I predict that Unstock is due for a significant move, but it's impossible to say for sure which direction it will take. The company's financials look solid, but there are always risks involved with investing in the stock market. One thing is certain, though, Unstock is definitely worth keeping an eye on. In conclusion, let's recap the main points. Unstock is volatile, facing challenges from market competition and economic uncertainty. If you're considering investing in Unstock, it's essential to do your research and stay up to date on market trends. Keep an eye on the company's earnings reports and economic indicators, as these will give you a better sense of its potential for growth. So, what do you think about Unstock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more financial insights and stock analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.